Ubekon free wanga.
Okay.
Very good. Or so din pro na pointy the most the proof what in the pa no what dima was say be the aura your friend wine.
Yeah.
The friend is like
Okuja tabla.
Yo tunumu for him so your friend is like
What is the name?
Sam George.
Sam George.
You know what check or didn't throw cassette second contact with your trouble so him no. Back on you also a good board leader.
Yeah. Sami Jamfi.
Sabi Jamfi. Emebunu, you follow all these guys. Mutie womo. And I'm kotuaba. Edema. NDC. Saku wachi ne busa question. And then I meet say adie bi wo you can say gas station we Koda media. Ama akwa kwasia na ni titi se bu na wo si te se ayi because here akola we crowd say but odi atama na de odi all di Mahama atama no wo see e friend no doti American no ayi glass nkwa no kra ni di say
friend no
Chuni Jonas say ayi your friend say Kevin Taylor Mahama di Kevin Taylor no na juni nya adwuma Mr. Mafu. Mami ka bibi ntro. Kevin Taylor no si basement aseno. Ejina ho kasa. Wo ayi ya friend say Mahama say obema musika e dia kwakwa ye adwuma. Ana no sa video no nya hwe.
Na bibi nya hwe ya. We are not for that man.
Mahama say Omumla obia maji 5,000. They would do 3,000 what the bama mo. Na mo fa ko ye business. Na wo ye AI ni akola and I say wo ye Gen Z whatever you call yourself in the middle of Gen Z. Ask yourself a question say the person who promised you that or the one 3 or the one that na you know the buy no can na you need to say 3 one job no. One fulfilling the promise. The status to be was what the 24 hours job ever and I'm a boy. The team of gang of the Kofowe. And to me, the intro, a circular team, and no more share medal, no muti or muti. If that person cannot pay you a month's salary, how can that person afford 5,000 for you for a business? The Samafu. Catch the no. Sasani panel was fairly to me amount 133 one person. A Juma back on the Pamian and a bay. Went to me and for Phyllis I promise. School, our castle the mamma first year a you move free. Went to me and for Phyllis I promise. Okatia must say agenda 111 or bow back to us. So now why you automatic posting? Yeah. That person did not fulfill that promise. Sani pakrona so catch will say Obama automatic posting be obeyamam. Dependent to me and for this anima we. Now okosuma ne kwasi ampanyi no take basement asana. Ne hu fin ehwe asekankan. Otumi begina okatira wo say Mahama said bra no bema usika koye business na wo fall for that victim na me person me katira wo na nwumre say every mother carry their children sometimes ya na you premature say you premature akra that akra no so wunya doctors na odan kubetem papa e be sometimes a bit me 3 months a bit me 6 months. The most good one, 7 months. Sakola need to be paying Yansani, and will be the most good wisdom. So what you say? Talk of what woman me and you say will pursue me. No one won't. Now to be for live for Mahama. And some who was smart Kevin Taylor said, on my country, not to me for a dear. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Wouldn't you Wunya chiba. nyina e wo mu say e wiase afefe de count me out me e wiase afefe de enya me fe me ye madwuma na me de aka me de but so wo se wo be di wiase afefe de kira I swear to God wo wiase a wo be nyina wo be a failure eno na Mahama edi training enkola no e wo Ghana what to constitution na punchen eno o training enkola no wo sa niema we now eno ni sa niema se sia ye mpani fo na yen emaburu ni ye de ye ni tu wo mo so fe e kadachi omo be ye bibi ama ya follow omanamo no Mr. Mafo wo want me and because nanka how say who obebunu no tie me how say obi a no wo ye MP e wo parliament e di the party for 24 years ebe turn around and akwa forming another party na wasanya ba na wo be ka kire wo say party na no wo mu omunne na wo beti na di wo kodi atire Mr. Mafu sa ni pan men friend is all ye dey
Jimmy Patawo.
Yes Jimmy e batawadwom the same batawakoma because Canada Japan ani otibon sumu nyina no oma benefit every MPP no oma benefit na wasa busa wo say why did they hate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia become a president busa wo say what are they afraid of Mumbusa womo said near Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yen as a vice president if Otibon to present Canada Japan to become a president what Canada Japan can do for Mother Ghana with the greediness was see one on the dome no bunu it was your Christ a war baba beji and mebunu yes to busa wo bebruno kwa wona ko busa ne say e die ne present Ghana man na obetumi aye hwe Ghana for you have become a waste of space. Some of you, excuse my language. You need to ask these leaders a question. Yeah. What to be prime minister say? And dear now free so bet me. Aye. Your hospital, governor, no, the local governor, no power. You busa the question. You busa. You try so many BBC for about. You busa. Yeah. Power in the one. You busa. Did anybody have a question to ask? Yebisa. Say NHS baba be good na office over to me. Aye, ama ekuraya sia yetiem. Ye future abelbia yemfa NHS Emma private hospital. Obe answer. E dia na wo Ghana ni a wo tidwom anasa wo ye babunu. Wo tumi nya akukuduro ebisa. Leader bia wo ba so Canada Japan. E ton MPP nyina no. Ask yourself, what is he gonna achieve? Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the excellence, no your vice, not on your vice, but Obia head your baye. Obia head ye and Munyamo share Ghana. Nasabusa who say, Cecilia or Moton MPP at Yama and this one. Sa Otibonsu, Aquana, the food tradition said, what a good the odi where your friends say the best you know what your friends say that is bakuna one the oye greed the odi na no na tu nyina afum no baby dey akwabu no no kro the same book ejako so what you say who obebunu no wono no onya bi di yo na kan wo me kantro or saba between Timwadjone. Say Ghana for nyina astadia and penifo no munyina nya bino they turn their back to twist their tongue to deceive the disease no. So what you say with couple of cash be omo de be mema wo mo no omo twist wo madwene na me busa o say ukokoko di sam penifo we echi a wo busa penyin say what do you want to achieve when you become a leader? What about us? What about the generation? What plan do you have for them? Busawomo strong question because omundinano, omatna bro trader. What can they leave Ghana to breed? Omunya Ghana na Ghana woman. woman sa or man no or be a person from Ghana Japan. And no tea and the neck Ghana for what do you call to about the Mahama. But ensure you no Mahama or hene. No or to Jubilee House and I said, or the baby or to praise this song. One year suffer a shimmy for a soften quasia for or one Ghana or more Diana said or more Fusika. You are a fool, some of the leaders, because if you say that you won't find baby out. Won't find baby out, but to be at one walk or won't empty. But a dear no pajama Bruno with the back. What are you living for the generation? That will can cast, and I will be above fear. No one will be a tapolia will cast, and I will say, where your Ferrari, where you way, where your Lamborghini, where you way, and then I offer me boy. But what I soon who say, send me woo between you and the corner. Me woo between your papa was Apostle Joseph. Or who you acquire, somebody and see an ameboa. Very good. Who you sensible person? Your papa daddy lumba or choir no. And then see one a chick, your papa could do something, so then there's a chick. And then the opia who we are piano. Jenny, the bussa said, Pray, sit, pinto, quiet, pray, ye be piano, who will leave it behind. And trust me, Ghana me. Who about the man Dr. Mahmoud Baumia? Who papa no or Sonia me? He had the fear of God. He had every respect at the map Ghana for penny for. Now, me question Mr. Busta Ghana for the same. Busta one more or Mukutian. Did they have the fear of God? Did they love Mother Ghana as he did? People Samo. We could Ajuna, what can I understand 8 years or mobile? Covered by Mahama, covered the crown by him for that. Covered. Now Dubai, no covered. Ah, Papa, a Radina Misha, Miss 1 2 1 Kobenya Frank 150. However, Cassa won't pay. Pusa who said, no covered the whole world and never be back. And never be back. The whole world, not plain to shape on cock. But Mumu be a will cry be a beer, you be bear me and son. Men cassette a crab who cry woo a yet. But Yadian buy. But the person me pusa said, Mahama buy within 1 year pet elephant, motion the palm woman Ghana. No one said Busa who said, this a bunch of crooks, a bunch of mafias. Oh, Mukasu make Ghana. Is it Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is one of them?
No.
Mr. Mafo, is it one of them?
Absolutely no.
No. Secondly, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia was a part of those mafias that are to a banana.
And the same guy, Yamayan.
Ah, Kwamudibika, Omunanimurika, Kwama, Omakoya campaign because Omudia, the bunch of crooks, Yentani and Amsamafaka. Yentani and Omunim. But the master move, the master move, may catch a Uganda and he said, Koda, who said, what are they afraid of, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia? Because they know the man loves Ghana. They know that the man, the whole world is behind him. And the moment Obeba president, there's so many things that Obe turning upside down, Asano. I benefit, I'm a Ghana for my benefit. So the thing is, what should we do? We should collapse the BP or person the Benyana. So what you say? Are you okay, Becky? So what you say? Eti. Wamu bi piano, omu seno. Wamu say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia niema or pesa oye, bibi or pesa or diba Ghana. Na ebua mebunono. They are trying to destroy it. But me jina hana mre. Ekase Mr. Mafu me jina me kitchen me enekedo. Me kase chedi ampunya kupweni mudam say. With the Spirit of God. Ebe for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia unfine. And ya mo plan be a mafa. Matisa se dunke cool near the would be a plan some person with your gun the piano. Now, who can be mamma fairly? Mube Fediama, Ghana for Yet now, Mamma Fagana, young Passia di Biamu, and Yamonyamu. Monyamu said, who has still look at the one who best say the Kuna, yes, not for brandy yet town. Adena Muteti Ghana, sir. Adena Muteti Ghana, sir. And Shaka Care toy her Galamse, a dear and near credit, a dear, you also did, man, a magana for Omu nibi. Omen suye yira fanko for. And I suffer for a suffer Jimmy for a suffer bastards and Greeks. No continue hosa mo bonfire and no more quiet Thanksgiving. Unyami, open shaman yamo cassette in the mate. And then, all religious no more in front.
Why?
Mamu Mr. Marfo. The way I met eating. We do best here and food for. I mean, sure. Amen.
And I'm okay.
Okay. Or the Diaba, one so far, dear bra. A Ras Media GH on YouTube. No, I'm Diana. Up here. And my quality has been a long time. Hope see you well. But the enemy, Mr. Marfo, I tell you there are no more calls coming. Me don't be see ya. Na Ochran Yankopon, a yardoma, a sign up a beam near the